Hello guys, today we're gonna make a video on a heater control panel of Toyota Corolla. As you can see, I just gonna turn the headlight on, and when I turn the headlight on, all the lights on the heater control light up, like the temperature, auto, off, um, recycle mode, rear demister. But the lights which are not working at the moment is this one here, and the one here, which is for the aircon and for the fan blower. So I just gonna take the whole panel out and investigate why the bulbs are not working. So I might have to change the bulbs. I'll show you how to change the bulbs. First of all, you take the cigarette lighter, I mean the ashtray out, just like this. Once the ashtray is out, so you put your hand here like this, like here, like this side, and then you do the same on this side, and then that's how you pull the heater panel out, just like that. Okay, just like this. So basically you use both hands, one on this side and the other this side, and then you just pull it out. There aren't any screws involved in it. This is how you just pull it out, and then just disconnect these connectors here, 1 2 3, and then you got the in here you have the cigarette lighter socket. This one you just pull it out like this, and then the cigarette lighter you just pull it out just like that. Simple as that. Here on the top okay guys, I've unplugged it, and now I'm just gonna take it because it's dark at the moment, so I'm just gonna take it inside, and I'm gonna show you how to change the bulbs on it. Basically guys, these are the bulbs, 1 1 2 3, the main ones, 1 2 3, 3 bulbs here. And then yes, so in this case it's the AC bulb, aircon bulb here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna replace it with a new one, and hopefully that's gonna, so this is the bulb here, so I'll have to replace it with the new one because this one is playing up. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put the things back. These are the new bulbs. So I'm gonna put the green sleeve back on. Just gonna slide it on like this. Just like that. Just like this. And I'm gonna use the existing holder because I went to the shop to get the new bulbs and the holders, but I couldn't get hold of the new holders for some reason, so I'm just gonna use the old existing one. So just slide it in like this. Just like that. So there were 3 bulbs which were blown out, so I'm just gonna replace the 3 bulbs with the new ones. So I've done other 2. There was this one, that one, and this one is the 3rd one. I'm just gonna slide it in here like that. And now I'm gonna put the thing back in. Okay guys, I've put the panel back in. We had 6 screws to secure it. Okay, just gonna take it back and fit in the car and see whether it works or not. Hopefully it should be alright now. It should light up. The whole panel, whole instrument panel, the heater control unit should light up nicely. Okay guys, just gonna clip the heater panel back into its place. But first I'm just gonna do the electrical connectors. So just 1 second. That's one. That's two. And then this is the third one. Okay guys, so that's your all the connectors secured. The cigar lighter connectors secured. The lights for the cigar lighter, just gonna push the panel back in to its place. There you go guys, that's all in. Now just gonna put the ashtray back in. There you go. So now we're just gonna turn the ignition on to see whether the lights light up nicely. Just gonna do it with the okay guys, just turn the ignition on. Now I'm just gonna turn the lights on to see if the lights are working or not. There you go guys. I've just put the side lights on, so the temperature button, all these buttons, they will light up nicely. This side is a little bit brighter because I put the new bulbs as compared to this side, but that doesn't matter as long as the heater control panel buttons light up, because it was extremely hard to find out the buttons in the dark while driving at night. Thank you very much for watching the video.